Okay, today we've got a video for Pearce grip. This is for the 2nd and 3rd gen Glocks. We're going to be putting it in my Glock 22 Gen 3 40 cal. So give me a second and we'll get it opened up. So you open the packaging, it's pretty straightforward. That's all there is to it. It's just this plug. We will get it inserted. And this is not to be confused with any of the Clone War videos that I've made about the Ollie or Wish items. This is just mainly for someone looking on Amazon, looking to buy something and not knowing exactly how it fits, what it looks like. But that pretty much well shows the fitment and how good it fits. So, thanks for watching.